Hey there, did you know that WebJaguar has the ability to produce a dynamically generated promo code and tie it to a local time of when your user needs it? Here's how it goes. First, sign into the admin panel. Then, go to Site Info and Site Message. You can also access the Site Message section in the left-hand panel. After that, go to the bottom and add Site Message. Then start preparing your email. For this example, we're going to use an abandoned cart email template. This is one of the best ways that you can use the dynamic promo code. However, it can be applied in several different ways. I've gone ahead and crafted my message, so I'm going to just paste it over here. Then I'm going to select the element. Here is where you can select all these different types of elements that can be dynamically generated. You can find the codes for the dynamically generated promo codes here at the bottom. First, we're going to select the first name element, and then we're going to have to click Insert for it to be generated. Then we copy and paste it into the place that we want it to be placed. Go ahead and fix the context of your email, and then we're going to do the dynamic promo code next. Go ahead and insert, cut, paste, and it's really this easy. And once you set it up once, you don't have to set it up again. You can put it on an autoresponder so that every single time, whatever time it is, when somebody leaves something in their cart, they will get this email that will show them a dynamic promo code. It'll show them the percentage that they get off, and what we're also going to add is the amount, the total amount, as well as the time. So what you can do is you can say the code is only valid for the next 5 hours. You can say the next 10 days. However, for the abandoned cart email, it's best to do a couple of hours to urge your clients to purchase what was left in their cart. And you can obviously also include automatically the item that they left in their cart in the email. So you only have to set this up once, and it will run until you want it to. Then you go ahead and click Add in the bottom left corner, and that's it. If you want to edit it, go ahead and click on it again. Thank you so much for watching the How To Dynamic Promo Code.